Now we are going to be talking about necklines, and we have different necklines. We have round neck, jewel, v-neck, boat neck, square neck, scoop neck. We have different kind of necks, and for the sake of this class, those ones I've mentioned are the necklines we'll be dealing with. If you check online, you will see necklines there, but I can assure you that is the ones we've mentioned. There are basic ways to be applied to other necklines. So the first one we'll be talking about now is the round neck, and the round neck is so simple that after closing our shoulder darts, like the first thing you're going to do is to close our shoulder darts, because we really don't want to be using our shoulder darts. You close your shoulder darts and transfer anywhere you want. We've talked about the underarm darts, the center front darts. We've discussed all that, where you can place them. So you close your shoulder darts and transfer anywhere. I will be transferring my shoulder darts to the underarm darts, because that is the easiest place to place your darts, or to keep your darts there. Don't forget our point D. I've traced out the basic bodice pattern. But please, if you are not yet good with the basic bodies, you'll keep drawing for everything we want to talk about. So you don't have to reel yours out now. You'll keep drawing so that you'll be perfect. So I'm just going to transfer my shoulder darts here, and don't forget the 4 centimeters up and down before you cut out the excess, and also your seam allowance by the side front. So here we have the shoulder darts closed. So for the back neck side, you're going to remove it just like we've already explained on the darts manipulation. For round neckline, you are coming down with the same measurements. You can come down by either 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, as long as it's going to be round. But please don't make it as low as 4 inches like I've said. Okay, so for the sake of this class, we're going to be using 2 inches, and I would measure from this neck point here 2 inches. That means I'll be taking the measurements around 2 inches. 2 inches. Even down to this shoulder side, 2 inches. 2. We're going to join the cuff together. You can use your curved ruler to make it, and you can also use your ruler. So this is our round neck. You are going down with the same inches, and that is it. So when you want to put your allowance, don't forget 0.5 allowance there, 0.5 allowance there. How are we going to deal with the back side? You're going to measure your shoulder point and your new neck point, and I can read 2.75 here, inches, 2.75 inches, or you can actually use centimeters to measure. We have 7 centimeters here. So you're going to take back whatever you have here to the back side. This is the paper for the back side. Don't forget to remove your shoulder darts at the back side here. So you have 12.5, then you have removed it. So the 7 centimeters, you're starting your measurement from this side, from this angle here, this 7. then you mark here. You can give it any shape you want it to be. It could also be the round neck. You can measure it, or I don't want to move ahead of myself, but you can also make it any shape you want. V. So just note that whatever thing you're doing at the front bodice, you are also doing to the back, especially here, so that you'll be able to bring back your shoulder point and your neck point to neck point without any form of confusion. Don't forget to remove your shoulder darts.